Would you like to create videos like a pro on Blender? This is the video for you. Watch it to the end. Leave a like and comment if you want more detailed tutorials on the subject. First, you should download or create your subject. In this case, I downloaded the spacecraft from Turbosquid. After importing the spacecraft, we create a line. I remind you that it costs you nothing to follow me, but it would change a lot for me. Select the spacecraft. Now, we need to add a follow path to make our subject follow the line. Click Animation Path. It works now, but we should change some things. Do as I do. If you make the same animation, I recommend to send it to me on Instagram or by email. I will make a dedicated video about your videos. Now, we will only need to map the shape of the line and add some movement of the spacecraft in the keyframes. Please tell me in the comments if everything is clear to you. If not, I may redo another video answering all your questions. This is the final render.